Okay, this is the third parrot here on August the 3rd, 2013. It's roughly 8:15 p.m. This is the second parrot today, a total of 3.
Oh.
He's barely hobbling along. Of course, he's going for the edge. We don't want him to fall in.
No.
There he goes. Okay, good. Good move. This is how they've been found up here in Yacolt, Washington. Found him this way here 2 years ago. It's all right. I'll get him. And unfortunately, he cannot fly, showing the same behavioral as on the other bird that we picked up earlier in the week. Left wing sagging. And we hope to get some blood work done on these guys soon. Chris reporting with Northwest Bird Rescue. August 3rd, Saturday, about 8:15 Pacific Standard Time. Come on, big guy. See if you can stop. I know you're scared. What'd you say? There's parents in the background.